Hello everybody. Archimedes once wrote, "Give me a lever long enough and a prop strong enough. I can single-handedly move the world." Few years later, about 2000 years later, the celebrated novelist Joseph Canard responded to this quote of Archimedes in this way: "Do not tell to me of Archimedes' lever. He was a person with mathematical imagination. Give me the right word and the right accent, and I will move the world." Now, what I just want to emphasize by saying these two quotes from two different persons, both of these two persons were having a superior quality of word selection. It is not important whatever background you are from. If you are able to express your thoughts, your ideas, it is this thing that is of ultimate importance. It will last after you also. Okay, so with this, I will start our study once again. The first word for today is impregnable. Impregnable. Impregnable means invulnerable. Now, you all must be familiar with the word vulnerable. If you have studied ancient text regarding Ramayana, you all know Ravan, which is one of the character. He was vulnerable in his navel and invulnerable in other parts of his body. Okay. So example for this impregnable is until the development of the airplane as a military weapon, the fort was considered impregnable. Ravan was impregnable everywhere except his navel. Next word is impromptu. Impromptu. Impromptu means without previous preparation. Now, those who have given extempore speeches or have participated in extempore competitions, they know what is impromptu means. In those competition, you are just given the topic for a speech and you are not provided enough time to prepare. Example: her listeners were amazed that such a thorough presentation could be made in an impromptu speech. Her listeners were amazed by the kind of word selection he made for his impromptu speech. Next word is impropriety. Impropriety. Now, you all must be familiar with the word propriety. Propriety means a state of being appropriate, suitable for the occasion. Impropriety means a state of being inappropriate. Example: because of the impropriety of his costume, he was denied entrance into the dining room. Formal functions are the functions in which any kind of impropriety is unacceptable because the people feel offended. Next word is improvident. Improvident. Improvident means thriftless. Provident means person showing economy, saving money for the future. Okay, so provident people are a kind of thrifty. They think many times before spending money. Improvident means thriftless, without thinking, spending the money. Example: he was constantly being warned to mend his improvident ways and begin to save for a rainy day. Now, actually, in hilly areas, when you have rainy days, you cannot go out to get food. Next word is improvise. Improvise. Improvise means compose on the spur of the moment. Compose something at a particular instant of time. Now again, improvise is also similar to the earlier word, which is impromptu. But this improvise is used in reference with actions. Okay, so when you take an action without any prior thought at the spur of the moment is called improvise. Example, she would sit at the piano and improvise for hours on themes from Bach and Handel. Bach and Handel is actually a art form related with music. Next word is imprudent. Imprudent. Imprudent means lacking caution, injudicious. Prudent means having thought for the future, sincere consideration or sincere thinking for the future or time to come is called prudence or prudent behavior. Imprudent is lack of caution for the things to come in the future. Injudicious. Example, it is imprudent to exercise vigorously and become overheated when you are unwell because it will increase your unwell state. Next word is impugn. Impugn. Impugn means doubt, challenge. Example, I cannot impugn your honesty without evidence. He tried to impugn his opponent by his questions. Next word is impuissance. Impuissance. Puissance means powerful. Puissance. Puissance means powerful. And when we attach in, which is a word root, which converts into im when it is added to any word part starting with p. So impuissance means powerlessness or feebleness. Next example for this is the president was frustrated by his shift from enormous power to relative impuissance. A politician in power, when retires, becomes impuissant. Next word is impunity. Impunity. Impunity means freedom from punishment. Punitive means punishment or punishing for the acts. Okay, so impunity means freedom from punishment. Example, the bully mistreated everyone in the class with impunity, for he felt that no one would dare to retaliate to his actions. Next word is impute. Impute. Impute means attribute, ascribe. Example, if I wish to impute blame to the officers in charge of this program, I would state my feelings definitely and immediately to the authorities. Next word is inadvertently. Inadvertently means carelessly, unintentionally. Advert means refer to. Okay. So inadvertently means not referring to the actual cause. Okay. So inadvertently means carelessly, unintentionally. She inadvertently omitted two questions on the examination and mismarked her answer sheet. Students these days inadvertently attend the classes without paying attention to the content of the lectures. Next word is inalienable. Inalienable. Inalienable means not to be taken away, non-transferable. Alienable means actually alien, alien means foreign. Okay, far away land. Okay, alienable is something that can be taken far away from you, and inalienable is something that cannot be taken away from, non-transferable thing. Example: the Declaration of Independence mentions the inalienable rights that all of us possess. Next word is inane. Inane. Inane means silly, senseless, stupid. Example for inane is: such comments are inane because they do not help us solve our program. Next word is inanimate. Inanimate. Animate means fill with life. Inanimate means lifeless. Example: she was asked to identify the still and inanimate body. Next word is inarticulate. Inarticulate. Inarticulate means speechless, producing indistinct speech. Articulate means distinctive speech. Inarticulate means indistinct speech. A speech which is common. It does not have anything distinct. Example: he became inarticulate with rage and uttered sounds without meaning. So actually inarticulate means two things: producing indistinct speech or become speechless. So here in this example it is used in the sense of speechless. Next word is inaugurate. Inaugurate. Inaugurate means begin formally, install in office. Example: the candidate promised that he would inaugurate a new nationwide healthcare plan as soon as he was inaugurated as president. Next word is incandescent. Incandescent. Incandescent means shining with intense heat, strikingly bright. Example: if you leave on an incandescent light bulb, it quickly grows too hot to touch. Incandescent light bulbs have helium inside their, sorry, have neon gas filled in the bulb case. Next word is incantation. Incantation. Incantation means continuous repeating of something, singing or chanting of magical formula. Example: uttering incantations to make the brew more potent, the witch doctor stirred the liquid in the cauldron. Actually, in our showing our reverence to the god, we also sing mantras again and again. That is also a kind of incantation. Next word is incapacitate. Incapacitate. Incapacitate means disable. Capacitate means give the ability or make able. So incapacitate means disable. Example: during the winter, many people were incapacitated by respiratory ailments. Asthmatic people suffer from this. Next word is incarcerated. Incarcerate. Okay, so incarcerate means imprison. Example: the warden will incarcerate the felon after conviction. Now, who is a felon? Felon is a person convicted for heinous crime. Okay, a dread criminal. Next word is incarnate. Incarnate. Incarnate means endowed with flesh, personified. Example, your attitude is so fiendish that you must be a devil incarnate. Okay, incarnate actually means endowed with flesh or personified. Example, next word is incarnation. Incarnation. Incarnation means act of assuming a human body and human nature. Example, the incarnation of Jesus Christ is a basic tenet of Christian theology. Theology is actually the study of gods. Next word is incendiary. Incendiary. Incendiary is a person who likes to set fire. He is an arsonist. Example, the fire is spread in such an unusual manner that the fire department chiefs were certain that it had been set by an incendiary. Next word is incense. Incense. Incense means infuriate, enrage. Example, unkindness to children incensed her. We also use incense sticks. Incense sticks also infuriate us in a better way. Okay, fill us with a different energy because of its fragrance. Next word is incentive. Incentive. Incentive means motive, spur. Students who dislike school must be given an incentive to learn. Everybody likes to accomplish his or her work if he knows what incentive he will get. Next word is inception. Inception. Inception means start or beginning. Example, she was involved with the project from its inception. This project is having problems since its inception. Nobody clearly made the plan about the action to be taken. Next word is incessant. Incessant. Incessant means uninterrupted, that is continuous. Example, the crickets kept up an incessant chirping that disturbed our attempts to fall asleep. Now, crickets here is used in terms of crickets that are played outside our homes. The batsman made runs incessantly during his innings. Next word is inchoate. Inchoate. Inchoate means recently begun, rudimentary. Example, before the creation, the world was an inchoate mass. Next word is incidence. Incidence. Incidence means rate of occurrence or a particular occurrence. Example, health professionals expressed great concern over the high incidence of infant mortality in major urban areas. The incidence of him becoming the prime minister of the country brought great change in the stock market. Next word is incidental. INCIDENTAL. Incidental means minor, not essential. Example, the scholarship covered his major expenses at college and some of his incidental expenses as well. He receives an incidental salary for his part-time job. Next word is incipient. INCIPIENT. Incipient means beginning, in an early stage. Example, I will go to sleep early for I want to break an incipient cold. Next word is incisive. INCISIVE. Incisive means cutting, sharp. He made an incisive remark about his attire. His incisive remarks made us see the fallacy in our plans. Next word is insight. INCITE. Insight means arouse to action. Example, the demagogue incited the mob to take action into its own hands. Now, who is a demagogue? Demagogue is a false leader of people. So, many religious leaders are demagogue and they try to incite people to take actions based on their religion. It causes sometimes religious conflicts also in the society. Next word is inclement. INCLEMENT. Inclement means stormy, unkind. You must have heard terms like inclement weather conditions. So inclement weather conditions are conditions where it is stormy. Example, I like to read a good book in inclement weather. Next word is incline. INCLINE. Incline means slope, slant. Example, the architect recommended that the nursing home's ramp be rebuilt because its incline was too steep for wheelchairs and stretchers. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.